What is scrapbook journaling? It is what it states. It's journaling in a book using scraps. So why do we spend obscene amounts of money on scrapbook supplies when we have free scrapbook journal supplies right in front of us? Well, firstly, the beautiful scrapbook supplies have been created by talented artists, but so has daytimer art, makeup packaging, and hair accessories. Today I will show you how to use things around the house that you would normally throw out. The first free supply. Okay, really, it's not free because you had to purchase the trinkets inside. But remember, these companies spend thousands of dollars marketing their products. So use everything they charged you for, including the packaging. The next free supply is cardboard box. I love using the corrugation on the inside of this cardboard box as background stamp any scrapbook journals I'm using. And I like vintage style stamping, so I'll use distress ink, but in this case with corrugated or with cardboard, you might need to use something like VersaFine to get a more detailed image in your scrapbook journals or tags. Another freebie that you get is when you do some online shopping, you get really fancy receipt folios, I call them, or receipt folders that your receipt or return slips come in. And if you open them up, look how beautiful the artwork is in there. And I can't help to look at that folio as an opportunity to create an amazing mini scrapbook album. So let's see what that looks like. And if you like this non-wax seal tag topper, I actually have a video on how to create those at home. So I'll leave that in the link in the description box below so you can check that one out. So another element of packaging, especially with dimensional stickers, is the acetate that comes with it. You don't have to buy acetate. If you're a scrapbook journaler or a scrapbooker, you use a lot of acetate. And so if you can hold on to these pieces, it's amazing what you can do with them. And if you know me, I am a sucker for dried flowers and using them in my crafting, and this is where the acetate went. If you're interested in how I created this three-dimensional scrapbook tag, then I do have a video. You can click on it right here that will show you how to do this. Next on the list are postcards. Now you're probably wondering, well, postcards, you actually have to purchase those. Well, not in today's day and age. If you go to any restaurant out there, a lot of restaurants apparently are putting their receipts or attaching their receipts to postcards that have their name on it or their branding, and that's the thing. And I actually keep all of them and I use them. I write letters to my kids, and really you can use those in your crafting as well. So take them home, don't throw them out. And you know what? They always use a paper clip with it. So the paper clips that they usually use with it are quite fancy. And so don't throw those out too. There's your other free scrapbooking supply. Another free scrapbook journal element is old daytimer pages. I love the artwork that comes with a lot of daytimers that you see out there, and I can't help but use them in all of my crafting, whether it's scrapbook journals or in this case, a greeting card. Now the next freebie are paint samples. Now you can go into any paint store and pretty much take any color swatch that your heart desires. Now, I don't like taking anything unless it is specifically used for what it was supplied for. So I will usually go into a paint store and say, hey, is it okay if I take a couple of these samples for my scrapbooking? That's just me. I just would feel bad taking it if they didn't know that it wasn't used for you determining what kind of paint you want. So anyways, that's just me. Okay, the next freebie are, I don't even know what you call this, like earring cards. When you go to a store and you purchase earrings, they come on these little cards. And shockingly, from this Oak and Fort company, there's this beautiful window that the earrings sit in. And you know, I looked at that piece of cardboard and I said, I could use that. So here it is. If you want to know how to make your photos vintage, then make sure you click on this link above, which will show you how to take any of your photos and give it that vintage vibe that everyone is always looking for. Okay, now that you've glammed up your earring holder frame, I'm going to cover up those holes with another freebie. These were from the celery that I purchase every week, and it always has rubber bands wrapped around it. So your next freebie are rubber bands. And this project that I did was just recently done. And if you're interested in this one-page wonder scrapbook journal, I'll put the link at the end of this video that will show you how to create that. Your next freebie are clothes tags. And these are great. If you look at them, a lot of them are quite sturdy. Cardboard is quite thick, and you can just cover up the names on top with ephemera or whatever you'd like, and turn these beautiful tags into bookmarks, gift tags, whatever you think you could use them in. Now, you can always embellish with paper clips, but why buy paper clips when you have your child's hair clip that she's outgrown and looks fabulous on your tags or scrapbook journals? Because you probably paid, what, $10 for this? So why would you throw it away? And one of my all-time favorite freebies are makeup boxes. I guess it's not free because, like I said at the beginning, these companies are paying big dollars for artists to create these beautiful products, and the amount of money they're spending on marketing is incredible. So I guess it's not really free. Because you're really paying not just for the product, but you're paying for the packaging as well. But either way, boxes and packaging that you wouldn't normally keep, so it would end up in the garbage. And so why not use it to create an interesting mini scrapbook journal that you can give to a friend, your daughter, or anyone else that would appreciate such beautiful artwork. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more of these cool scrapbook hacks or neat ways of scrapbook journaling, then I will see you in these next few videos that I'll post. Until then, take care, and we'll see you in those videos. Bye.